आंसर फिफ्थ पार्ट 2। सी बच्चे, वी आर हैविंग 25x raised to power 4 minus 4y raised to power 4. This 25 is can be written in the form of 5 square, and this x raised to power 4 can be written in the form of x square minus it can be written in the form of 2 square and it in the form of y square. So the powers are same, base will be multiplied again here. Okay, now just beta apply the formula. Formula is x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. In place of x we are having 5x square, okay, and in place of y we are having 2y square. So it can be written as 5x square plus 2y square into 5x square minus 2y square as our answer. Okay, now see बच्चे next identity. Our next identity, that is fifth one, is x plus y plus z whole square. It is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy 2yz 2zx. Okay, now question number third can be done by this. So let us apply this identity into question number third. 2a plus 3b plus 4c's whole square. It will be equals to first number the square बच्चे, second number the square, third number the square, 2 into first two numbers, 2 into next two numbers, 2 into last one and the first number, that is 2a. Okay, so it is equals to 4a square plus 9b square plus 16 square plus 12ab plus 3 to the 6 4 the 24 bc 4 8 to 16 ac. It is clear? Very simple it is. And see, this question number 7th is the reverse of this identity. It's a good question. Question number 6th is also an example of this identity. First of all, see 6th. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1's whole square. Similarly, it will be equals to square of first number plus square of second number plus square of third number plus 2 into product of first two numbers plus 2 into product of next two numbers plus 2 into product of last and the first number. Okay, so it will be equals to 1 by 16 a square plus minus square is plus 4b square plus 1 plus 2 into 2 cancelled minus a b upon 4. Need not to write sign of plus here. Afterwards 2 by 2 minus b it is, and c 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus a by 2. Is this clear बच्चे? Now let us do the reverse of this identity with the help of question number 7. See question number 7. We are to factorize this. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz it is. Okay, now बच्चे, this 4x square can be written in the form of 2x whole square. This 9y is 3y's whole square. It is 4z's whole square. Further, see 2 into first two numbers, that is 2x and 3y. 2 into 2 4, 4 is a 12, x, y, same. Okay, product of next two numbers, 2 into 3y into 4z, and product of the next and the last number, 2 into 4z into 2x. Now see बच्चे, here we are having a sign of negative on these two places. Just see which digit is common here. We are having z common between these two numbers. So what we will do, we will take this term as the negative term, and then by factorization it would give us 2x plus 3y minus of 4z whole square. And what we will do, we will just write it as twice because we are to factorize it. Is this clear? Is this clear, bache? Okay, let us do our next identity, that is sixth identity, x plus y's whole cube. It will be equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square. And this question number 8 we will do by this identity. Okay, answer 8th. We are having x cube plus 1. What we are having? X cube plus 1. 1 can be written in the form of 1 cube. 1 can be written in the form of 1 cube. So this x plus 1 whole cube is equals to x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into square of the first number into second plus 3 into second number into square of the second number. Now see, x cube plus 1 plus 3x square plus 3x it is equals to x plus 1 whole cube, and we are to calculate this. So this will be equals to, take these to the left hand side, x plus 1 whole cube is equals to x cube plus 1 cube plus, take just common factor between these two. What is common between these two? It is 3x, and behind it is we are having x plus 1. Now take this to the left hand side. It becomes x plus 1 cube minus 3x into x plus 1 equals to x cube plus 1 cube is 1. Okay, now x plus 1 cube, acha, see, x plus 1 is common between these two terms, so take it common. It will become x plus 1 whole square minus 3x. Okay, so this would be our answer. If we want to solve it further, we can. X plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 3x, x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1, it is equals to x cube plus 1 as our answer. Is this clear, bache? It is equals to the product of two numbers. Okay, so the last question is this. Okay, so the identity that is to be used for solving this question is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc only and only when. IFF means if and only if, when the sum of the individual numbers is 0. The sum of cube of the individual numbers will be equals to product of these three numbers into 3 only and only when the sum of the numbers is 0. And here see, the sum of number is given 0, and we are to find the sum of cube of these numbers. 8 can be written in the form of 2 cube, x cube plus y cube plus 8, x cube plus y cube plus 2 cube it is. Now cube of the sum of cube of these numbers will be equals to product of these numbers into 3. Product of these numbers into 3. Only and only when it is given that the sum of these numbers is 0. So it will be equals to 3 into 2, 6xy as our answer. Is this clear? Hopefully it would help you to make your concept more clear, and I have very good thinking about you that you are doing the sums at home. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.